On today's boiler, we're looking at an Ariston 𝐸-Combi 30. So what the problem is no hot water. So the heating's working, but no hot water. So what we've done, we run the hot tap, but there's no activation whatsoever. So it didn't start in hot water mode. So guys should know by now what can start the, what can stop the hot water sequence. And it's usually a flow switch or a flow turbine. So in this case, we do have a flow turbine. So me and Miles are going to investigate, and you're going to see us change the part, and hopefully the boiler's going to work after we change the part. That's where the power's turned off from, the spur switch here. We took the fuse out. So Miles will remove that bottom panel. And then we normally have screws there and there. And then that top bit lifts off as well. So this is the flow turbine here. It runs along here like that. And this is the Hall effect sensor, which pushes down from the top. So you'll see us pull it out, and you'll also see us obviously change this as well. This is the cold water inlet here. So Miles, you turn that off. Turn it the other way, I think. That's it. And we'll check the tap, see if the water stopped. Yeah, so the tap stopped. That's good. We're now going to prise up that clip upwards. We've got the grips on the end of it now, so just twist it side by side and pull it towards you at the same time. As you get a grip of it, then you're pulling it. Oh, you got it quite quick, that. Right, so that's it coming out. That's it. This is a new one now. So what we've done, we put silicone on this O-ring and that O-ring, and then we're just going to shove it back in.
Upside down, man.
So it only can go one way, because what it does, it engages into that top lug there. That top lug there, and push it in like that. And then you put your clip back. That's it. Locks it in. So what we're going to do now, we're going to change the Hall effect sensor. So Miles, you take that out. We're now going to just take the cable off. You remove that plug from it. Bit fiddly. That's it. And then put your new one on, which is here. That's it. And then you can locate it into the hole.
So this only goes in one way, and you want the wires facing you, like that.
That's it. We're just going to close the hot tap now and then turn on the cold water inlet. So we just turn that on now, just do it slow. That's it. Good. So we're just running the hot tap now. And I can hear the fan. Divert valve moved. And yeah, it's on. You've got hot water coming out the tap.
Fine in that.
So that's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Just go over it again to go through the technique, and that's a job you can do successfully in the future. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.